Hello, Bentley and Beyond. I'm back, Alyssa Hammond, Director of Undergraduate Career Education and Outcomes here at Bentley University with another wonderful edition of Facebook Live, and I'm here with a very special guest, someone who needs no introduction, well, at least to me, our Associate Vice President of University Career Services, Susan Brennan. Susan Brennan, welcome to Facebook Live.
Thank you, Alyssa Hammond. Wow, I am so excited to be here with you.
I'm excited to have you because we have a very exciting announcement to make to all of you, which is our new podcast, which is being uploaded today for download today, called Counteroffer. So Susan Brennan, what is Counteroffer about?
All right, so it's today, our podcast, our long-awaited podcast.
Yes.
Counteroffer, the career advice podcast that helps you love Mondays. Why? Because we know that there are people out there that have that dread on Sunday, that Monday's approaching, the work week is approaching, and we want them to head into the work week and love Mondays just like we do. And we've helped hundreds of graduates feel that same way and walk into that work week with enthusiasm and ready to conquer the work week.
Yes, so you're probably asking yourselves, how do I get this fabulous advice? Well, I'll tell you. We have 7 episodes available for download right now on iTunes. And we're going to be covering a number of different topics. You don't have to be a job seeker to enjoy this podcast. You could be someone who is just interested in making their lives better in the workplace, or perhaps you have an interest in moving on or upwards, and the podcast is for you as well. So we cover everything from salary negotiations to networking. How do we take the work out of networking, right? I don't know about you, but I hate networking. You love it. I despise. And so you can hear about our counter-offering as to how to go about networking when you love it or you don't. We also have some great guest stars, or more guest stars, if you will. We have the lovely Trish Foster, who is from the Center for Women in Business here at Bentley, and she talks about mentors and sponsors and the importance of needing people who are going to help you as well as speak for you in the workplace. So what else do we have? What else do we cover?
We had a chance to talk to one of our alumni from Bentley University. His name is Dan Chabelle. And from the time that he graduated from Bentley, he has been out there really capturing the world with his expertise around personal branding. So we have a conversation with Dan where we talk about personal branding. How do you show up in the world? What do people think of when they think of you? And how do you make yourself more effective when you put yourself out into the world and really have that kind of one word about the way people think of you? And I have to say, Dan not only has written a New York Times bestseller, but he's had a chance to catch up with folks like Richard Branson, Jessica Alba, and Colin Powell. So his advice, I'd say, will hold some weight.
Yeah, so you're going to definitely want to check that podcast out as well. So we are offering a really fun contest. For those of you that are interested in downloading and reviewing our podcast, which we encourage you to do so, you can enter into a contest where you can win some really fabulous prizes. And you can do that by emailing counteroffer@bentley.edu. So Susan, what fabulous prizes do you think people will win?
Well, I would say you might get an iPad, which I could use a new one.
Everyone could enjoy a new iPad.
Beats headphones will
Also
be
great.
another prize. And then the grand prize will be 2 career coaching sessions with me. I'm so excited about that. So I hope you win, because we can spend some time talking about your talents and strengths and how you're going to aim them toward your career.
If you don't enter just for that alone, then I don't know what's wrong with you. Anyway, so because she's outstanding. She's an outstanding career advisor. So all you need to do is send a screenshot of the review to counteroffer@bentley.edu. So again, download our Counteroffer podcast, now available on iTunes. Write up a review, send us a quick pic, and who knows, you might be able to win one of those fabulous prizes. So anyway, so we want to thank you for joining us today on Facebook Live, and we hope that you equally enjoy our episodes of Counteroffer, because why?
The career advice podcast that's going to help you love Mondays.
Because you are the CEO of your life. All right, until next time, we'll see you later. Peace.